Hi there, Rob Parker from Peach Software. Today I had a client ask me about setting up some function keys. So this would be where he wants to go into customer control, select the customer, open up the F8 screen, go across to the discount column, make an entry, and then go across to the group column, make an entry. So he was asking about setting up some function keys so you could push a function that would take you to the next step of what he's trying to do. So that all sounds fine, except I think probably a far easier way would be to import the information into the customer's discount, which I'm going to show you how to do, because it's probably something that a lot haven't thought about and they spend a lot of time in the F8 screen. So what I want to show you is, if we go down to Task Manager here, and if we go across to Admin and then Xls Import, and then depending on the format or the types of discount information you want to bring in, you can select here. I'll just move this out of the way. Select down here and you've got Customer Master, and you've got all these matrix options. So in this case, the customer wanted to bring in a group, a discount, and the customer code, of course. So we go into group in this case, and you can see here that you've got customer code, you've got group, and you've got discount. So what I've done is I've created a spreadsheet. So in this case, the customer, our client, wants to update their price levels. They're using the matrix method. So in this case, you would import the following information. Under customer code, you'd have the customer code, of course, put in the group code and put in the discount. And when you import this, it'll actually update the matrix of these customers with a group of 170 and a discount of price B. So there are so many ways you could skin the cat in this option, but basically all you do is you set up that, you store that Excel spreadsheet, and then you can come in here and you can import that information. The nice thing is it will tell you if the information fits in the cells that you're importing it into. It'll show you if the information you're importing has already been in the system, so you may be creating duplicates, and it'll also then give you the option to import the information. It's not replacing what you've got in your discount matrix, it's actually just appending to it. So that's a really fast and easy way to add to your matrices, or to build your matrices for your customers, so that and you can do that straight from a spreadsheet. So there you have it. I hope that helps.